guys, I'm back. We are going to unbolt this pump. Oh, 13 mil. Customer dropped off more work like usual. Very careful. Do not fuck these up. You will be sad. Half-inch socket will work too. Half-inch socket, 13.5. Shaft out. Sit that down in the relationship to which way it came out. Alright, see if we can get this pump out. Oh, god dang it. Oh, might be stuck. Shit. Let me get a prying apparatus. If we can get it to move. Soft side of that in there. Very careful doing this type of shit. Come on, bitch. Come out of there. All bolts out. Huh? Light taps. Light taps. Man, she's fucking in there. God. I don't like doing this. Damn it. Come on. Shit. Darn. Try not to pry too much. Come on. It's just that stuck, I guess. Well, it was one of those things sometimes. Oh, fucker does not want to move. Oh, she's loose now. Eesh, guys, what a battle that was. Be careful doing that shit. Oh, God. Damn it. Look how heavy that. Oh, fucking drum come right out with it. Fucking bitch. Are you stuck on the drum? I don't know, I think that's the third reverse drum. I can't remember anymore. Oh, I don't even want to open this pump up. Bushings look like, oh, good. Anyway. We're not going to open that pump up right now. We're just going to set it to the side. apparently I should get some more light. Drum looks pretty good. Sort of band rides. It's just, faint shadowing. So far that's looking alright. Plastic washer on the front. Seems to be okay. Looks like it indexes on the back of the pump somehow. Check that out over here. Oh yeah. Yep. Little slot that rides in. I'll leave it on the pump if I don't fuck with this clutch. Take this band out. Loose. Dinosaur. Still had a amount of material though. Fix that. Sorry guys. One second. Hopefully it wasn't a pump issue. Bushing looks pretty good. Let's see clutch. That's reverse third. I think the next one is one. I just lost a bearing. Roller bearing. Yep. There it is. Yep. Alright, we had a forward clutch failure. Shit. Oh. Right there, huh? Yeah. Yeah, we had a clutch failure. Shit. Some sort of clutch failure here. I have to go and look at the books, see how this goes together. But if I remember right, this comes out first. I'm gonna try to leave it oriented like that, because that's how it came out and that's how it goes back in. This one I got kind of flipped over It rides. Like this. There. Up inside of that one. It has a failure inside. It's cracked. Right there, I'm pretty sure it's not supposed to be. And this half in, oh, well, it's out now. It's half under there. Half in, half out, flopping around. I think it goes under there in that little groove. Like right in there. But I can't remember. Yeah, it's definitely broke. Right there. See that? Oh. I'll have to get her apart in a little bit and see what happened or what we gotta buy. We're gonna take these two drums and kind of orient them how they go. Kind of curious as to how much clutch is left in there. Probably not a lot. It doesn't look like it. No. Right. One. I don't know. She was starting to do some sort of funny business right there. Huh. Yeah, look at this drum real good here. Anyway, let's orient these in a way. It came out. Well, we'll lay the front forward sides that go towards the pump down towards the ground. Front and forward sides that go down towards the pump, out towards the pump, or down towards the ground. It's got some shit to index it on that. How's that looking? Like a plastic fucking washer to me, buddy. Let's get this out. I think this is a planetarium there, yeah. Alright. Caught it. Just in fucking time. Probably see that little light ring she was wearing in a not good way. I think we caught her in time. She goes like that. That's, That's the inside the back, and planet rides in there. You want to look at them teeth too very well. These are already looking pretty good. There's a washer in there. How does it look? Pretty good. This isn't going to be any super high quality like race car build or anything, guys. It's just a old shitty work truck. Old shitty work truck. Drag this planetary out. Planetary. I think there's a couple of them in this transmission. Comes out like that. And check all of them. Make sure the teeth ain't sharp or abnormal amount of wear or anything funny. Bearing inside of it, a roller bearing. And check out. Sometimes you'd swear this was a rebuild, all the paint marks and tags, shit on it. Shell out. Check them gears for wear and the ones on the inside. And you want to check down in here for wear too. Snap ring. Not really seeing any. Bushings are not as good as they can be. Blown out though. Yeah, the rear planetary was pushing in a wee bit harder. Yeah. Oh yeah, this bushing. This bushing probably had to be replaced. There. This ain't a bushing, this is a thrust washer. Yeah, I've probably been calling them the wrong thing. Thrust washes. Oh yeah, there's that other planet. I got a snap ring. Holds it in. Yeah. Take a look at that snap ring. See where it's at. Ends of it right in there. See if we can get it out. Not too much fussing. Just like that. I'm gonna put the face climb towards the pump down. That should release the planet. I don't know if I can get it to pop out though. There we go. Alright. Man. You know, I don't jinx myself, but could be worse. Lay that right on top of that fucking snap ring. You know that held that in. Fucking hail and big hail. Well, not too big. Quarter inch at least. Well, I'm gonna get out of this shit. If it gets any worse, I'll record it.